We only accept applicants who live in the Philippines. National hires are part of Coconut's agency and get agency perks. And the winner is... Welcome to Two Truths and a Lie!
Coconut Edition!
Woo! And today, I will be your host. My name is Ambo Ambrosio and I'm together with...
Hi, my name is Sid,
Hi, I'm Sheena.
and we are ready to play!
So the instruction would be, I will tell two truths and a lie, and the first one to ring the bell after the 3-second countdown will have the chance to answer. Are we ready, guys?
Yes, we are!
Alright, so for the first set of statements, A, we started accepting international applicants on July 1, 2025. OFWs can now apply for direct hire roles through our international track. And C, we only accept applicants who live in the Philippines. So in 3, 2, 1, ring! Okay, Sheena, what's your guess?
Letter C.
So, why? And why?
Now we don't accept just in the Philippines. You accept international agents as well.
Alright, that is correct! So actually, that's not true at all. You can apply from anywhere in the world. Alright, so for our second set of questions, are you ready?
Yes, we are!
So letter A, if you're hired as an international applicant, you are managed directly by the client, not Coconut. B, you'll go through the same screening process as PH-based talents. And C, international hires are part of Coconut's agency and get agency perks. In 3, 2, 1, ring!
Letter C.
Is that the correct answer, Sheena?
I think so.
And that is the correct answer. So
Yay!
international hires are part of Coconut's agency and get agency perks. That is a no. Direct hires aren't managed by us and don't go through our agency perk. All right. So for our third set of statements, are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Okay, letter A, you need a PH bank account before applying. B, benefits are based on what the client offers, not Coconut. And C, OFWs don't need to fly home to apply or get the job. In 3, 2, 1, ring! Go, Sheena.
Letter A. You don't need a PH bank account.
Before applying. Is that correct? Do you think, Sid, is that correct?
I think so.
Alright, so that is the correct answer. So that is a lie. You don't need a PH bank account if you are applying because how you get paid depends on what your client uses. So, good job, guys. So for our fourth set of statements, letter A, remote workers based in the Philippines can also try for international roles. B, only Filipinos with BPO experience can apply. C, foreigners who move to the Philippines can apply too. Okay, Sid, what is your guess?
Letter B. Only Filipinos with BPO experience can apply.
Is that the correct answer?
I hope-
Yes, that is the correct answer. So that is a lie.
Yay!
Only Filipinos with BPO experience can apply. So that's a myth. We welcome all kinds of professionals, not just from the BPO. All right. So are you ready for our fifth set of statements?
Yes, we are!
All right, let's go. Letter A, if you are hired directly, you're not part of Coconut's agency managed pool. B, only active agency hires get LinkedIn Learning access. Or letter C, you'll need to relocate to Manila if you get hired. So, in 3, 2, 1, ring! Okay, Sheena, what is your guess?
Letter B. Only active agents get LinkedIn Learning.
Sorry, but that is wrong. So, Sid, you may still.
I think the correct answer is letter C.
Alright, so the correct answer is letter C. So you'll need to relocate to Manila if you get hired. So note those roles are fully remote. No need to pack your bags going to Manila. Alright, for our sixth set of statements, letter A. For direct hires, you will negotiate your benefits directly with the client. Letter B, you can apply if you've worked with Coconut before. Letter C, OFWs go through the same vetting process as everyone else. So in 3, 2, 1, ring! Okay, Sid, you go first.
I think it's letter C.
Letter C, sorry Sid, that's wrong. So Sheena, you may steal.
Letter B.
Letter B. So letter B is you can apply if you've worked with Coconut before. So that is correct. So that is a lie. So that is totally false because new applicants are very much welcome. Okay, Sid, you go first.
I think it's letter C.
Letter C, sorry Sid, that's wrong. So Sheena, you may steal.
Letter B.
Letter B. So letter B is you can apply if you've worked with Coconut before. So that is correct. So that is a lie. So that is totally false because new applicants are very much welcome. All right. So for our 7th set of questions, are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Perfect! Letter A, we're now sourcing talents from around the world, not just the Philippines. B, OFWs and foreigners fall under our international track. Or letter C, only people from Southeast Asia can apply. So in 3, 2, 1, ring! What's your guess, Sid?
I think the lie is letter C.
Is it letter C? That is correct! Letter C is the lie. Only people from Southeast Asia can apply. So that is not true. This program is open to anyone, anywhere. So this is the last one. Okay. All right, for letter A, Coconut handles your payroll and HR concerns. B, we still make sure international applicants meet the client standards. Or letter C, some clients prefer direct hire so they can fully manage the talent. In 3, 2, 1, ring! Sheena.
I think the lie is letter A.
A, is that your final answer, Sheena?
Yes, it is.
All right, so that is correct.
Yay!
Letter A is the lie. So Coconut cannot handle your payroll and HR concerns because the client takes care of all that directly. And the winner is everybody! Because in Coconut, everybody wins. So what are you waiting for? Join Coconut now!